So, how to get what you want from customer service in the USA 2025 edition? We'll tell you. Because you deserve justice and maybe a refund. Welcome, brave soul, to the modern gladiator arena known as customer service, where your enemies include robotic phone menus, hold music played on a single dying flute, and reps who sound like they're being held hostage by their shift schedule. Congratulations, you've entered the game. 1. Prepare thoroughly. Go in armed, not hopeful. Before you call, figure out exactly what you want, because customer service reps can smell hesitation like sharks smell blood. Refund, fee reversal, emotional compensation for 3 years of terrible Wi-Fi? Great, define it. Now collect documents like you're assembling the sacred scrolls, receipts, policy screenshots, contract excerpts, that one email from 2018 where they promised you premium service? Psychologists say, be impeccable with your word. Translation: speak clearly, logically, and without rage, even though rage is the only natural response. Write your talking points. Rehearse. Imagine yourself in a courtroom drama where the villain is also the victim and also somehow your internet provider. Also, know your legal rights. Nothing terrifies a corporate rep faster than a customer who actually read the terms of service. 2. Communicate like a human. Pretend you have hope. Once you reach a real human, after navigating a phone labyrinth designed by low-budget Bond villains, be polite. Seriously. Say hello, thank them, act like you haven't spent the last 26 minutes listening to instrumental jazz made by robots. Why? Studies prove reps help nicer customers more. We didn't need science for that, just common sense in 3 terrible call experiences. Use controlled frustration, not nuclear anger. Try, this issue is really upsetting me, not, if you transfer me one more time, I will set my router on fire. Build rapport. A simple, I know your job is tough, translates to, please, I beg you, wield your forbidden powers and fix this. Next, ask for a supervisor. If they say no, hang up. Call again. Repeat until the universe matches you with someone competent. Customer service roulette. You will eventually hit the jackpot. Call strategically. Tuesday mornings, civilized humans. Friday afternoons, abandon hope. And when all else fails, unleash the sacred weapon, the public tweet. Companies fear nothing more than being mildly embarrassed online. Document everything. Become a one-person FBI task force. Write down everything: dates, times, names, case numbers, zodiac signs, whatever helps. Follow up with emails. Per our call today, you said you would actually resolve the issue. I know, shocking. Screenshots and notes turn you into the customer equivalent of a nuclear deterrent. If they still fail you, escalate. BBB, CFPB, regulatory agencies. Drop acronyms like you're assembling the Avengers. They will respond. Oh, they will respond. The final wisdom. Winning the customer service war in 2025 isn't luck. It's preparation, strategy, emotional gymnastics, and patience forged in the fires of corporate indifference. Stay polite. Stay firm. Use every loophole in the menu maze. Document like your ancestors are watching, because at the end of the day, companies have one weakness: a well-prepared, calm, relentless customer who refuses to die on hold. And that, my friend, is you.